Scout. There's your toy. Oh, is that yours? Is that your Christmas? Is that yours? Yeah?
What do you have?
Yeah?
Is it your stocking?
Yeah. What is it? What you got, huh? Are you gonna open it? Are you gonna open it? Okay, lay down. Come here, lay down. Lay down. What is it? What you got? Stay there. Oh, there you go. Good. Yeah, good boy. What is it? What is it? Yeah. Is that a squirrel? Is that a squirrel? Yeah? Yeah? What? Is that your squirrel? Get that squirrel. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Oh, it won't, yeah, it's 5 minutes. I give it 5 minutes and he'll be done.
What else is in your stocking?
Yeah.
What else is in here?
It'd probably be hard for him to pull that out.
What's this one? What else is in there?
Give him the one that's in the bottom and he'll probably open it.
What's this? What's this one?
What is that? Nice.
Oh.
Wow. What is it? No. All gone. All gone. Okay, good boy. Merry Christmas.